I'm TS Hazwan from SIRIM STS. Factory Transformation Program, as it is in line with the government aspiration to achieve Industry 4.0. This program should be implemented by providing exposure and guidance to all industry players together success and implement the government aspiration in achieving the mission of Industry 4.0 in Malaysia. Our factory transformation program aims to assist the manufacturing sector in improving the manufacturing capabilities through the application of Green 5S, quality tool and technique, lean management, and innovation management, towards preparing company become Industry 4.0 ready. To be highlighted, the program module are based on the standard developed by SIRIM. All sub-components under factory transformation program is to meet the basic of Industry 4.0 ready by completed in 3 stages under QRQC, Lean, Set Management Right, and Commitments, before go to the next stage of readiness and adoption in Industry 4.0, and digitalization of connectivity to achieve key goal of quality, cost, delivery, moral and safety, QCDMS. In this transformation framework for readiness Industry 4.0 ready, you can see the first step until to the end before Industry 4.0 can be adapted and fully translated in the concept of readiness Industry 4.0 framework. Come join us, and together we make your company to the factory transformation. Thank you.